Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Jansen Fancher with MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. And I've got the privilege of showing you this 2025 Harris 250 Sunliner Sport. Got the matte black with the blackout package. Bimini is up. Powered by a Mercury 300 horsepower Verado. Of course, let's not forget the lily pad ladder. Makes it easy to hop on and off. Great transom area. Got the JL audio speakers there, as well as a smart charger built in to trickle charge your batteries and keep them up to date year round. Nice lounger. If you want to lay all the way down, you've got the ability. This is the single lounger dual helm layout. Got the dual captain's chairs. Massive in-floor storage. 9-inch SIMRAD screen. JL audio sound system, wireless phone charger and holder. Makes it really nice. This boat's rated for 15 people. Digital throttle and shift. Nice seating on both sides. Makes it really easy to get under with one hand. If you guys want to see this boat, please give me a call. My direct line is 573-606-3029. Thanks and have a great day.